Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was at a thrift store the other day, then I saw a bunch of helicopters being sold for $15. At first glance, they all looked like regular toy helicopters, but then I noticed two of them had servos, which means they could fly way better than the ordinary toy helicopters. Sadly, one of the helicopters looks to be damaged, and I'm not sure it's worth repairing. But I could maybe use their parts like the motor and the helicopter propellers in a future project. This one says World Tech Toys and looks like it's not damaged, at least on the surface. And it even has a camera. Maybe I'll try and take a picture in a future video. And looks like this is the controller for the one with the camera. I haven't tested it out yet though, since I'm more interested in the two helicopters with servos. This controller says it's a Micro Heli v911. So I'm assuming that's the model name of the two helicopters with servos. It also came with stock batteries for the v911 helicopters. I tried charging some of them, but sadly, when I tested it off screen, none of them would work more than a minute or two, and some of them don't even charge anymore. Here's a spare charger, an audio jack, and a bunch of extra propellers for the other toy helicopters. It also came with this blue USB thing, but I'm not using it on my computer. It's quite amazing that they were able to put so many moving parts inside this little helicopter. Here's a close-up view of the servos. I'm gonna solder some battery connectors to this. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm back. So after a few testing off screen, I was able to get this thing working using a Fly Sky protocol. At stock battery, this thing is quite light, weighing in at only 32.5 grams. Now let's compare it to a 250 milliamp battery and a 300 milliamp battery. At 250 milliamps, it's got a takeoff weight of 38.7 grams. And at 300 milliamps, it's got a takeoff weight of 39.6 grams. Here's a little radio and servo test. Looks like everything's working properly. Now it's time to fly.